Welcome! In this STRAKON 2022 video, we will demonstrate you how to create new reinforcement categories and how to assign reinforcement to particular category. First, let's create new reinforcement categories and assign unique color to them. Go to Settings, then click Administrations, and finally click Reinforcement Categories. Write a name of a new reinforcement category. Assign new color. Now, go to your 3D model and click the Reinforcement tab. Click on the Color button and choose Category. Now the 3D reinforcement will be displayed in colors according to the reinforcement categories. To change or assign the reinforcement category to particular reinforcement, double-click and assign the reinforcement category. This is the final result. Thanks for watching.